human magic is not something that we think is going to be disrupted. Before Monday comes the weekend, and I tend to use the weekend a little bit to be able to get more context. One of the last notes that I read is our AI update, where I'm getting an update from our AI leadership team, really covering the full waterfront of everything we're doing in AI, the latest agents, the latest use cases in production. So I'm coming into Monday morning with the benefit of all of that, and I've sort of got the energy around wanting to start to poke around, who's doing what, how can we do a little bit more of this, that, and the other. I like to work out in the mornings. I find that that gives me the energy level to really be able to sustain through the day. I actually use our own AI platform, Eliza, to help me get a start on the day. Everything, everywhere, all at once is how AI feels. We're trying to provide reassurance to our teams that yes, this is a revolutionary technology, but we're going to embrace it. We're going to work through it. We choose to be AI optimists at BNY. We think that if we embrace the power of the technology, then we're going to have more capacity to be able to do all the things that we want to do. And who doesn't want more capacity? The world's your oyster.